When Nikon launched the original Z9, it completely shook up the camera industry by removing the mechanical shutter. Now, a massive wave of leaked internal specifications reveals that Nikon is preparing to drop its next ultimate flagship, the Nikon Z9 Mark II. This is not just a basic iteration. The latest leaks reveal that Nikon is leveraging its acquisition of Red Digital Cinema to build a hybrid powerhouse that aims to leave both Sony and Canon completely in the dust. If you want to know exactly how Nikon plans to redefine professional photography and cinema-grade filmmaking for the next generation, you need to hear this. The heart of the new Nikon Z9 Mark II centers on a completely re-engineered 46-megapixel stacked CMOS image sensor. While the resolution matches the original model, the underlying architecture is entirely new. Internal reports indicate this next-generation stacked sensor delivers a sensor readout speed that is 3.5 times faster than the original Z9. This ultra-fast readout effectively eliminates rolling shutter artifacts without requiring a global shutter, allowing Nikon to achieve a maximum flash synchronization speed of up to 1/720th of a second. This means high-speed sync flash photography will look completely different, giving studio and sports photographers unprecedented control over ambient light at incredibly fast shutter speeds. To handle this massive flood of visual data, the camera will debut the highly anticipated EXPEED 8 image processing engine. This processing jump enables a baseline native sensitivity of ISO 32. Dropping the native sensitivity down to ISO 32 allows the sensor to capture an astonishing level of dynamic range and tonal depth, giving your images a clean, noise-free quality that is typically only found in medium-format camera systems. Photographers working in bright daylight will no longer have to rely as heavily on neutral density filters just to keep their apertures wide open, preserving the absolute purest contrast and color gradients directly out of the camera. For action, sports, and wildlife professionals, the burst shooting capabilities listed in these hardware leaks are borderline unbelievable. The processing power of the EXPEED 8 allows the Nikon Z9 Mark II to capture full-resolution, uncompressed RAW files at a blistering 60 frames per second. If you need even more speed, dropping the camera into the DX crop mode unlocks an insane 120 frames per second burst rate. When you combine those frame rates with a massive internal buffer that is designed to sustain these speeds without locking up, missing the decisive peak action moment becomes practically impossible. Nikon is also utilizing advanced machine learning algorithms to completely overhaul the autofocus tracking system. The updated AI subject recognition system does not just track eyes, faces, and vehicles. It actively calculates human skeletal structures and unpredictable animal movements in real time. The precision of this predictive tracking ensures that even when a subject momentarily ducks behind a tree or turns away from the camera, the autofocus stays completely locked onto the target area without hunting or shifting to the background. But where the Nikon Z9 Mark II truly evolves from a great camera into an absolute industry disruptor is in its cinema-grade video capabilities. Following Nikon's acquisition of Red, the Z9 Mark II is set to become the first true mirrorless camera to internally record 12-bit REDCODE RAW video, specifically utilizing the proprietary R3D RAW format. Even more impressive, the camera will support full 8.3K open-gate video recording at up to 60 frames per second in a 3:2 aspect ratio. Open-gate video recording uses the entire height and width of the physical sensor, giving cinematographers the maximum amount of flexible real estate to crop, stabilize, and reframe their shots for both horizontal widescreen cinema and vertical social media layouts without losing precious resolution. To complement this advanced cinema workflow, Nikon is introducing a dedicated suite of built-in red color science profiles and professional film simulation lookup tables. These integrated profiles allow filmmakers to achieve the iconic, organic film look, smooth highlight roll-off, and rich skin tones that made red cinema cameras legendary on Hollywood sets, completely bypassing the need for tedious, complex color grading profiles in post-production. Furthermore, the internal heat dissipation systems have been completely redesigned with an advanced thermal pipeline to ensure the camera can record these heavy 8.3K data streams continuously for hours without overheating, even in the most brutal field conditions. On the physical design side, Nikon is addressing one of the biggest criticisms of the original model by significantly upgrading the electronic viewfinder. The Z9 Mark II will sport a premium 5.76 million dot panel that matches the ultra-crisp resolution found on the Z6 Mark III. This updated viewfinder completely eliminates any pixelation while maintaining a blackout-free, high-brightness presentation that makes tracking fast subjects feel incredibly natural. The camera will also feature dual high-speed CF Type B memory card slots to handle the massive data throughput required by the 60 frames per second, RAW bursts, and 8.3K video files. Security and authenticity are also getting a massive boost. The Z9 Mark II will come fully integrated with secure content credentials metadata technology. This system uses advanced cryptographic hashing to embed tamper-proof authentication data directly into the image file at the exact moment of capture. For photojournalists and professional media organizations working in an era dominated by artificial intelligence generation, this feature provides verifiable proof of image authenticity from the camera sensor straight to the publication layout. When can we expect this camera to officially drop, and how much is it going to cost? Given the extensive development required to fully implement internal red compression algorithms and the next-generation EXPEED 8 processor, reliable industry tracking points to an official announcement window in late 2026, with initial shipping rolling out into early 2027. As for the price tag, Nikon intends to keep this firmly positioned as their absolute pinnacle professional tool. Expect the body-only launch price to sit right around $5,500, directly matching the original launch strategy of the first-generation Z9. With a 3.5 times faster stacked sensor, native ISO 32 image quality, 60 frames per second full RAW bursts, and internal 8.3K open-gate red video recording, the Nikon Z9 Mark II is clearly designed to be an absolute juggernaut. It is a clear statement that Nikon is not just trying to compete in the mirrorless market anymore. They are actively trying to dominate both the high-end photography space and the cinema industry all at once. Whether you are a dedicated wildlife shooter needing raw speed or a commercial filmmaker demanding Hollywood-grade color files in a compact body, this camera is shaping up to be an absolute game-changer. Stay tuned right here to TapTech as we continue to track every single development, internal hardware leak, and official update on the road to this historic flagship launch.